What if I told you there are places frozen in time? Across the United States, entire towns just left behind, their secrets whispering on the wind. These are not just old buildings, they are echoes of lives once lived, now eerily silent. Today, we are diving into 10 of America's secret empty towns. And trust me, you will not want to explore these alone. First up, Centralia, Pennsylvania. This town has been burning from an underground coal fire since 1962, forcing residents to flee. Imagine steaming streets and abandoned homes swallowed by the earth. It is a surreal and dangerous landscape. Next, Bodie, California. A genuine gold mining ghost town, preserved in a state of arrested decay. Step inside homes and shops, and you will find everyday items just as they were left. Over a century ago, it is like the residents vanished overnight. There is Starlight, Nevada. Another Nevada mining boomtown that went bust. Its impressive bank, jail, and train depot ruins stand starkly against the desert, monuments to forgotten fortunes. Travel to Thurmond, West Virginia, a former coal empire and bustling railroad town along the New River. Now only a handful of residents remain, leaving most of its historic structures deserted, a ghost of its former glory. Elmo, Colorado, is one of the best preserved ghost towns in the Rocky Mountains. Miners, cowboys, and ladies of the night once roamed these wooden streets. Today, it feels like they could return. At any moment, deep in Alaska, you will find Kennecott. This remote copper mining town was abandoned in 1938, leaving behind massive mills and buildings against a backdrop of glaciers. It is incredibly isolated and feels completely cut off from the modern world. On the border of New Mexico and Texas sits Glen Rio. This Route 66 ghost town was bypassed by the interstate, leaving its old gas station, diner, and motel in dusty silence. It is a true relic of a bygone era. Terlingua, Texas, near Big Bend National Park, was once a thriving mercury mining town. While it has a small revived community today, the vast majority of its original structures are abandoned ruins clinging to the arid landscape. Cahaba, Alabama, was Alabama's first permanent state capital. Repeated flooding and economic downturns led to its abandonment. Now, only eerie ruins, overgrown streets, and a historic cemetery remain, telling a haunting story. Finally, Hashknife, Arizona. Not much is left here but foundations and scattered debris in a high desert, once a stagecoach stop and ranching community. It now serves as a reminder of the harsh realities of frontier life. These 10 towns each tell a unique American story of boom, bust, and abandonment. They offer a rare glimpse into the past, but their isolation and forgotten histories also hold a certain eerie weight. So, if your curiosity calls you to these silent places, remember, sometimes history is best experienced with company.